Hey minions and maggots, Vasily here. As you can see, I've just got out the shower. It's 9:30 on the 24th of April, which makes it the day after the Impossible Astronaut Day. And like a bad Whovian, I left my marker at home, so even though I did go out and did Pilates with Lumo, if I saw anything, I didn't mark it and slap on the wrist. Been busy writing this stupid essay that I need to submit, so I thought I'd just say hi quick. Really weird though. My sword was sort of left unsheathed on my couch, and I'm normally very good at packing it away. I did do a little bit of practice last night, but obviously I'm feeling a bit preoccupied with all this stupid honours work. Next time I say I'm going to be studying, please remind me how horrible it is. Anyway, now that's weird. That's my sword arm.